Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and I am sitting in traffic. I just want to put this video out for you. We'll be back to car reviews really soon. I still have a couple cool reviews for you. I have the Hot Wheels Camaro SS. I have the Jaguar XF Sport Brake. That's the new wagon version of the mid-size Jaguar XF, and also in Mercedes S65 convertible. So now the S-Class used to be the CL, now it's the S-Class Coupe. So I got the pleasure of driving the press car, the V12 turbocharged S-Class convertible AMG. So you'll see that video too. So I'm working on editing those 3 videos, and I don't have a video for you today. I am on my way back. I was playing in a hockey tournament in Toronto, so I didn't get a chance to edit all weekend because I was playing hockey. So that's usually when I do my edits. So I'm a little behind on video, so I figure I'd just do a quick vlog so you guys know what's going on. So today's an excellent opportunity to go back and catch some videos. We have over 444 videos on the channel. I've driven probably every car you can imagine, enthusiast car, sports car, exotic car. So go back and watch some of those videos. Some of the videos are not great, but you know, I try to improve as I go along here. So thanks again, guys. Go back and watch some videos today, and we'll continue on our schedule with new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I'll have those 3 car reviews coming to you. I'll also give you updates on what's going on with me selling cars, and that'll be coming shortly as well. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of it. Thanks again for watching, guys. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.